It is an intriguing league meeting that promises to be highly entertaining. Two teams with plenty of quality in their ranks about to go at it. And who's to say which side will come out on top? Live coverage coming your way next here on EA TV. Welcome on a wet night for all concerned. It's been raining cats and dogs here. What are your expectations for today?
Well, I'm sure both managers will have given them their final instructions. Go out and...
Luna. And striking it. Oh, brilliant goalkeeping. Let's see about the delivery. Well, that attempt not troubling the goalkeeper in the slightest.
Yeah, I think you have to credit the defending there just enough.
And this time it's Miranda. He has teammates around him. Surely! Oh, it looked really promising for them. Opportunity. Chance was building. We're getting the ball forward. And teammates to play it to. And so it is, the first half story. Decent position. Not a bad ball. Well, good hands there from the keeper. Singh. Flowing here. Promising pass. To put them in front. Might still be able to do a bit of damage. And in at the second time of asking. Just what was required.
And how he reacts, and what a fantastic finish.
So underway again. Oh, could be an opportunity here. The keeper won't be complaining about that cross. Poor quality. Can he put it in? Oh, it's on! What? Could be dangerous. This could square the game. It could be up for grabs. And there it is! An almost intuitive piece of finishing.
Shot across the goalkeeper towards the far post, which makes it difficult.
And so the final whistle is sounded. At the end of the game, the team's not to be divided. From the point of view of the hosts, how did they fare?
Well, they're bound to be gutted that they couldn't see that one out. They looked in control for parts of the game, but just couldn't hold on. And conceding so late on, they'll be looking for more next time out, I'm sure.
Ahead in a match brimming with excitement. It's a showdown you don't want to miss.
Football, can they find the final pass? Chance to deliver into the box. And that's arrived just where the goalkeeper wanted it to go. This is how the visitors win. It could be on! And denied by the woodwork.
Well, what a strike that was. Really good effort.
Should score here. It's in. Deadlock broken. And just how crucial could that prove to be? good chance. Cleared away, but not with conviction. Took one for the team there.
That's how to play it through.
Oh, look at this. In it goes. Level once again. What a game this is turning out to be. Oh, great work. What's next?
Yeah, such a good pass through the ball.
For the lead here. And that'll do it. The end of the first 45 minutes here. The last 30 minutes now. To take the lead. Well, he's been lively, hunting for his second, but it's been dealt with. Over it comes. Well, not quite fully away here. And no scraps for the attackers to feed off. Hung on to the ball well. The goalkeeper has that and keeps it in his grasp. The notch here. And he's in now. But with that sort of chance, he really ought to do a bit better. To edge ahead now. Back off the post. And that's a corner, and it could provide the winning moment. It's put into the middle. Fine goalkeeping as the fingertips deflected behind for a corner. Under a little bit of pressure, he's managed to put it wide.
Yeah, but the defender made it very difficult for him in the end.
Here. Can they win it now? Oh, he saved it. A huge stop.
Well, he's just saved his team.
They're making a change here. Now, surely. And it's there. What a moment to take the lead. Getting to that stage where it has to happen for them. Chance to go level. And the keeper's done really well to keep that out. And the referee brings the game to a close, with the points going back with the visitors.
Sometimes it takes a while to eventually get the better of the opposition, and that was the case here. They kept going, and they eventually got their reward.
Leader completely at ease in this pressurised environment. The players believe in him, the fans adore him. The question is,
Just how far can he take them? A warm welcome to you, and thanks for joining us for another game live on EA TV. I'm Guy Mowbray, joined for commentary by... An open invitation on the wing here. It's played into the box, and it's comfortably gathered. Teeing up the chance now. What a chance here. And what a reaction that is.
Yeah, such good awareness. Closed the angle down perfectly. That's textbook goalkeeping.
It's been delivered. Well, nothing doing for them in the end. Having to stay patient here. To edge ahead now. And sadly, that has sailed well over.
Well, you can see what he's trying to do there, but his body position, it's all wrong when he connects with the ball.
And that will keep the attack moving nicely. Oh, offside. A really tight one.
How close was that? Looked like he was going to be through.
They might be in. And he's in now. The goalkeeper ready for it. Really good stop. has the space to whip it in here. Knocked back across. And it's all over without a goal for anyone to cheer. Sue, what's your verdict on what we've seen today?
Well, certainly wasn't the best game I've ever watched. The final ball from both sides often was lacking. Defensively, both teams
Sind, uns ein paar Fragen zu beantworten.
Building to a crescendo all week, and very shortly it will be for real. We have all the action for you live. And welcome on a rainy night. The heavens opened earlier and it just hasn't relented. It panning out.
Yeah, no league action today. It's all about focus on progressing in the cup, and it's still a way to go till the final, but that has to...
Gives it a go. Oh, that is a superb save. Cross fired over. A goal to give them a 1-0 lead. An excellent value for that advantage, you've got to say. So the ball rolling again with the... Vital intervention. Well, they are behind, but can they give... Now sending it in. And well off target in the end. Good pressure from the defender to put him off. Can he score? And gobbled up with ease by the keeper. Opportunity to deliver the cross. And behind for a corner. He's been a joy to watch, no two ways about that. But the manager bringing on a fresh player now. Who can they pick out? Well, to be blunt, misfiring with the header. This looks interesting. Oh, still up for grabs. Oh, it wasn't the best of challenges. Doesn't really hesitate.
Hold firm.
Oh, useful ball. Oh, big opportunity. Well, they have a chance to whip it in. Well, there was impending danger, but good defending. And the flag has gone up.
Well, you've got to be aware and alive inside the box. Always keep moving. And he's just got caught ball. Just about edging it overall. It's been...
Giving it a go. Well, that stop exactly what was required. Dangerous here. Can he put it away? In it goes to increase their advantage. And will that be the goal that ends up securing it for them?
Another day, another dollar on this track.